Greeting friends. This is Rahul Magan here as a Group Chief Executive Officer, Treasury Consulting, and also a venture capitalist. As we speak, Treasury Consulting Group is a multinational headquartered group based out India, Singapore, and Hong Kong. More importantly, we do hold our offices in three parts of the globe. And apart from that, we hold our own proprietary hedge fund, our commodities platform, and many other platforms. We hold our consultancy business, our learnings academy, which is Sheetal Academy, our OTT platform, TRFX Academy, and many more products. If you wish to have any information, you can definitely WhatsApp on my personal number, which is +91 9899242978. Alternatively, you can WhatsApp on our back office, which is +91 9818485155. If you look at American entrepreneurs, one of them is right at the back. Whether it is Steve, who is not with us, Mr. Bill Gates, Mr. Nadella, CEO Microsoft, Mr. Pichai, Google, and variety of such people, Zuckerberg, Facebook, and all. The one thing which is common in all of them, although they are having their own respective companies and their respective way of working, they talk sensibly. They never talk stupidity. I hardly see till October 2021 when Steve quits, left us. In his whole journey of around 62 years, Steve never talks stupidity. Okay, there are times when people do not like him, the way he speak. Like I always speak upfrontly, and he was also an upfront person. But the stage came when people started realizing that the way what he communicated was exactly is right before us. This is American leadership. I think this is one of the reason, and I'm very upfront. I never bother, you know that. I'm not making YouTube videos for the sake of likes, dislikes, comments, subscribers, and all. I'm not at all bothered. Let it be honest, right? This is one of the reason why American companies are big, just like Goldman Sachs, JP Morgan Chase, Citi, Wells Fargo, Morgan Stanley, Apple, Accenture, Cognizant, Sapient, Google, Microsoft, Facebook, Amazon. Have you seen Amazon founder Jeff Bezos talking stupidity? Never. He just been from the space. But when I look at Kumar Mangalam Birla, I always feel this person is definitely from Mars. If he is listening, let it be. I always feel that this person is from Mars. He always speaks in the air. I have hardly seen him on the ground. When GST was launched, he was. When demonetization was launched, in COVID, he'd see nothing except improvement. He never talked about 27 million jobs lost in last 4 months, according to Center for Monitoring and Indian Economy. And his exceptional work, which he did in Vodafone, I don't think I can forget that. When Vodafone was in the extensive need of leadership, he quits. Simplistically quit, nothing else. And now, in Indian newspaper Live Mint dated 10th September 2021, I repeat, Indian newspaper Live dated 10th September 2021, page number 7. Indian apparel market could return to normalcy by second half of financial year 2022 because COVID is going, US is back to normalcy, UK back to normalcy, China back to normalcy, Australia back to normalcy. The 27 million jobs which lost in India, they are recovered. The IT companies who set to fire 3 million people by another next year, which is by December 2022, they are not firing. Thousands of startups who closed in India, they are again back. 60% of the MSME who are about to close because they don't have funds, they now got the funds. So it will come to normalcy, rest assured, by financial year 2022. By favorable macro factors, increased adoption of digital technology, and undertaking trend of value migration from organized to unorganized to organized sector, said Kumaramanglam Birla, Chairman Aditya Birla Fashion Retail Limited at the company 14th annual general meeting. Mr. Birla, if you have L of leadership, I challenge you. 37-year-old person is challenging you. If you really think you deserve to be a chairman of Aditya Birla Company or Vodafone, then I challenge you. Spend 15 minutes with me and I show you where exactly you stand. Because in the next part of the video, I will tell you how much normalcy is coming in the Indian market. People like you have only one thing. Always misguide people, give them the rosy figures, rise in the stock prices. The ground reality is far poorer than what actually it should be. I went to the Reuters and I collated the data. You know that Treasury Consulting never speak without it. The total number of stores operated by Aditya Birla Fashion is 2,725. Guys, just put a hand on your heart like this and tell me, do you feel that in the COVID era, it is sustainable for any company in the world to have 2,725 stores? Just think about it. Very recently, the so-called unicorn Car Deco closed 20 to 25 stores. And more are coming, rest assured. Just open the Google and check the big retail chains of the globe. They closed not only in US, UK and many countries of the globe because they just cannot survive with a huge operating cost they are having on their head. But this is not the only thing. Wait and watch, guys. In financial year 21, the operating margin of Aditya Birla Fashion and Retail is minus 1.22. Net margin is minus 14.02. Do you know what is asset turnover ratio? 0.53. 0.53. It is not even 1%. It is not even 1%. Debt to return on equity is minus 36.24. And debt to equity is 1.24. Mr. Kumaramanglam Birla, do you know these numbers are yours? It is not of Apple, it is not of Google, it is not of Facebook, Microsoft, Amazon. This is yours. And story not yet ended. In 2017, this company recorded a net income of 53.5 crores with a debt of 2,044 crores. This company recorded net income of 117 crore in 2018 with a debt of 1861 crores. 2019, this company recording debt income of 321 crores with 1700 crores of debt. In 2020, Aditya Birla Fashion and Retail recorded 163 crores of loss with a debt of 5,300 crores. And 2021, 672 crores of loss with 3,300 crores of debt. You are in losses and your debt is growing. But story is not ending here. Story rather starting from here. There is a ratio called long-term debt to total capital. Now, what does that mean? It means that, how would I say? There is a ratio called return on capital employed, ROCE. It means that the total capital do you have, how much return you are generating. We all knew that the capital is sum of equities plus the debt. The total long-term debt percentage in terms of total capital, 2017 42%, 2018 40%, 2019 23%, 2020 42%, 2021 43%. Now hold on. Any paid person from the media can say 3,200 crore is not a big debt. My friend, you can comment this, but once you can see that the long-term debt is 43% of total capital, which means you are extensively dependent on the debt. But this pimp media will never speak about this. You know why? Simple. There is a ratio which is developed by us, and in fact Reuters is also giving that. We have an advanced ratio to this, but we don't have time to compute this. This is called adjusted tie ratio. Adjusted tie ratio means total debt minus cash divided by EBITDA. So total debt minus cash divided by EBITDA. EBITDA stands for earning before interest, tax, depreciation, amortization. In 2017, it is 4.15 times. In 2018 is 3.86 times. In 2019, it is 3 times. 2020, 2.73 times. 2021, 7 times. I have excluded the cash out of it. If I'm not going to be excluding the cash out of it, then you know what would be the number. If even after excluding the cash it is 7 times, then what would be if I take the cash? If I not exclude the cash? When you look this number statistically, you will get to know that few entrepreneurs in India are always ready to misguide people. Thankfully, he not said that India would be United States after 2 years. I hope he can give this statement after 2 years, at any point of time. Or he can give the statement that India would be, I would say, India would buy US plus China plus other countries by next 1 year. Or maybe he can give a statement that Aditya Birla is looking to buy Goldman Sachs after 1 year. And you know the height of stupidity? Aditya Birla is looking 25,000 crores of revenue in next 5 years. Every sensible person in the world is aware that the startups are closing, jobs are cutting, companies are firing people, salaries are less, huge poverty, unemployment. The governments of various countries, including United States, United Kingdoms, have raised their hands in terms of not having any allowances. Guys, do you know that in United States more than 8 million people, 8 8 million people are in extreme poverty because the government don't have money to pay as an COVID allowance. The similar is the scenario in United Kingdom, which is around 1.6 million people there. But Indian apparel market could return to normalcy by second half of financial year 22, led by favorable macro factors, increased adoption of digital technology, and the underlying trend of value migration from the unorganized to the organized sector, said Kumar Mangalam Birla, chairman Aditya Birla Fashion and Retail at the company 14th annual general meeting. Thankfully, we always take numbers into consideration. And I'm sure that this media never tell you that the long term debt as a percentage of the total debt in case of Aditya Birla Capital is 43%, which means they are extensively dependent on the debt. Mr. Birla, if you really think you deserve to be a leader, my number is 9899242978. Open challenge to your knowledge. Open challenge. This is Rahul from Treasury Consulting Group. Have a great time ahead. Guys, remember, in another few years, the mess is going to grow. There is hardly any doubt about that. Just like last year, many intelligent people came to Facebook and said that Corona is going, Corona is going, Corona is going. What had happened, we all knew about it. The mess is going to grow in upcoming times. A right investor would be one who would envisage this mess carefully and take appropriate step rather than following these people. Thankfully, I followed Steve because in his whole 62 years of his life, I hardly see him talking stupidity. Yes, often a time people don't understood him, but eventually people understood one thing: he is years ahead than this world, and that's the reason he is always in my office. Thank you, Steve. Have a great time. Thank you. This is the video which is dedicated to the Treasury Consulting Group. And to be very honest, we are keeping this video now onwards at the end of every YouTube video. And all the courses by Sheetal Academy and Treasury Consulting Group. There are many questions people generally raised about Treasury Consulting, the products, the services, and we reply these questions on WhatsApp, LinkedIn, Twitter, YouTube, and variety of forums. But the quantity of questions, the queries are continuously increasing. Henceforth, we decided to make a video. Of course, this is not the only video which we are making. Rather, over the period of the time, we would continue to upgrade this video, to be precise. First of all, Treasury Consulting Group is a multinational headquartered group. We are based out India, Singapore, and Hong Kong. As we speak, company is around 5 years plus old, and more importantly, we are 100% cash rich company. Unlike the so-called unicorns, without quoting the name, and even if I quote the name, it's a fact that they never touch the profit. The company is in profits from inception. So since inception, the company is in profit. So we are a 100% cash rich group, 0% venture capitalist, and 0% debt. More importantly, our legal entities invest our free cash with mutual funds and international banks across the globe. We are a client to almost top 10 mutual funds in India, and that is the reason we do have holistic information about the mutual fund industry in India. That's a separate thing, that majority of the information never comes in public domain. Even if a fraction of the information comes in public domain, this fraction of information come for one day and then you know how it happens. So as we speak, we do have, three legal entities: India, Singapore, and Hong Kong. More importantly, we are a cash rich group and we are having 0%, which means not a single cent invested by any venture capitalist or private equity firm. The company has not taken debt from any bank, financial institution, or hedge fund. So we are a zero debt company. That is something which we need to understand very holistically. The following are the products and services we do have about Treasury Consulting. The more detail is coming at the, as the video progress. We have our own proprietary hedge fund. Many people in the world do not understand the meaning of proprietary. The proprietary means no party outside Treasury Consulting can invest in our hedge fund, which means that we trade with our own money. We are not accepting anybody's money. Even if you give us any amount of money, any proposal on the table, it is completely rejectable. So proprietary is a word which is often used in United States and Europe, but unfortunately this is least used in India. The proprietary means people trade their own money. They do not trade somebody's money. Even if tomorrow, after listening this video, you come to us and say that I give you $1 million to trade my money, I will say thank you very much. We are literally not interested. We hold our own proprietary fund, and that fund would continue to be proprietary, which means that the outside participation would continue to be zero forever. This fund includes the equities desk, the commodities desk. We have our virtual comics platform. More importantly, we have our OTT Academy. OTT stands at over the top, just like we are having Amazon Prime, we are having Netflix, Disney. There are so many, OTT platform we have worldwide. Our OTT platforms is not as big because they started 6 months ago, but thankfully we are having handful of customers and they are growing. In our OTT platform, we are creating video and uploading at the back end of our platform. People with authorized login ID and password can see these videos. Apart from that, no one else is authorized to see these videos. As the video progresses, you will get to know that as we are having around 13 plus, which is 13 plus different series as far as the OTT platform is concerned. As we speak, August 2021, it is 13 plus and we are continuously adding more series. Our idea is very clear. We will reach to 35 or probably 40 series in another 1.5 years of time. We are having our learning arm, which is Sheetal Academy. The details of the Sheetal Academy is given at the end of the video. We have our own family office desk. Rather, very soon, our hedge fund would be a part of our family office. We have our own pension fund desk in terms of consulting. And there are 62 plus different platforms which are listed on our fixed income platform, which is www.fixedincome.global. So as we speak, we have our proprietary hedge fund, we have our equities desk, we have our commodities desk, we have our virtual comics platform, our OTT Academy, our penny stock desk, Sheetal Academy, family office, pension fund, and variety of such platforms. TLFX Academy, which is our OTT platform, over the top platform. This platform is having 13 plus series. Now, few I mentioned, basic series, moderate series, advanced series, valuation series, treasury series, wealth management platform. Wealth management platform is actually integrated with TRFX Academy and would continue to be integrated because of course we would be investing heavily in the wealth management platform. When we speak about wealth management platform, we speak about the learnings. We are not talking about the trading. There is a difference. It's a training platform, remember this. We have 13 plus different series, like few are basic series, moderate series, valuation series, advanced series, treasury series, research and analysis series, and we have variety of such series. So please do remember that. As we speak, we have around 180 plus videos live. Every week we shot 10 videos. So every month we are adding around 40 to 50 videos, and it will we keep adding more and more videos as the time would come. The target is very clear that we would be having more than 2000 plus videos probably in another 2 years of time, which means a dedicated private platform for learnings. So what is the wealth management platform? A wealth management platform is designed to cover all asset classes of the globe. The asset classes includes the fixed income, currencies, commodities, credit derivatives, structured derivatives, and many more. So I repeat, a wealth management platform is designed to cover all asset classes of the globe. Wealth management platform is also designed to cover continent-wise topic. Continents are United States, Europe, AXI, Asia excluding India. We have excluded India because the financial markets in India are very, very shallow. Very shallow. Like if you speak MTN, medium term notes, if you speak about any exotic derivatives, nowhere people are taking this. In fact, you know that I worked as a corporate registrar. Even today, 99% of the treasury function in India are working as a cost center. Hardly 1% are working as a profit center. Hardly 1%, to be honest. So the continent-wise include United States, Asia excluding India, Asia excluding Japan, India and Japan, global financial centers like Singapore, Dubai, Hong Kong, Luxembourg, Switzerland, and respective, and of course Latin America. We are creating a wealth management platform which would be covering everything. Example, CDS, credit derivatives. India is not a market of credit derivatives. Reserve Bank of India on paper allowing credit derivatives, but neither we have buyer nor we have sellers of credit derivative. So on paper you have credit derivative, but practically you don't have the credit derivative in place. Henceforth, we really need to understand that if we wanted to talk about credit derivative, the only markets are US, Europe, or Singapore. India was not a market, is not a market, and would continue to be, because we are doing nothing substantial to create a credit derivative market in India. That's the reason, even after a lot of frauds which are happening, banks are just writing off the money from their books. Simply writing off the money from their books. Had it been the credit derivative, banks would be able to get their money back. But once again, if you talk about this issue, people don't understand because they are not interested to have this. Anyways, a wealth management platform designed to cover all asset classes of the globe. And very soon, this wealth management platform would link with our fixed income platform, which is www.fixedincome.global. And of course, we would be adding crypto as well. That is most important. We are planning around 1000 plus wealth management videos by December 2022, which would be covering continents like United States, Europe, Japanese market, Asian markets, global financial centers, Latin America, the tax havens like Bermuda, BVI, Caribbean and respective, and structured finance, my favorite. 1000 plus videos would be covering almost everything as far as the wealth management is concerned. We would be covering a very simplistic and the plain vanilla topic. At the same time, we would be covering the exotic topic also. So basically, our wealth management platform is for the people those who are having zero knowledge, and it is also for the people those who are having advanced knowledge. Please understand that. It is not designed for the people those who only have basic knowledge or the people who wanted to have exotic knowledge. People with the basic, moderate, or advanced, they all can participate. This is our TRFX Academy, a screenshot from taken from our fixed income platform. This TRFX Academy is our OTT platform, which is over the top platform. And in this TRFX Academy, we are of course interlinking the wealth management platform also. I promise you, probably in another 1 to 2 years of time, we would be adding a lot of content in our wealth management platform and of course our TRFX Academy. Only people with the login ID and the password can enter into this platform, and of course on a weekly basis we are trying to have at least uh, around 10 plus videos so that we would be able to reach to the target as far as the December 2022 is concerned, and we are committed to it, sir, to be honest. Treasury Consulting Group having own learnings platform which is known as Sheetal Academy. As we speak, Sheetal Academy is covering around 13 plus schools. Few are mentioned here. The World of Options, Option Worlds, School of Nifty and Bank Nifty, School of Investment Banking, School of Venture Capitalist and Private Equity, School of Commodities, School of Accounting, School of Foreign Exchange, School of Treasury and Risk Management, School of Forensics, and more schools are coming. Before I change the slide, the purpose of Sheetal Academy is to create a learning platform which link with Thomson Reuters and Bloomberg. We know that we have many learning academies worldwide, and I challenge all learning academy how many of them are actually linked with Reuters and Bloomberg. I often share Reuters and Bloomberg screenshots on YouTube, on LinkedIn, on WhatsApp, on Facebook, on Twitter. Hardly I see, in fact, limited people in the world are sharing the Reuters and the Bloomberg platform screenshots, because the question is it requires a very deep and dense knowledge. Once you are sharing the screenshots, people generally ask questions from you, and you should have a knowledge to reply. That is more important thing. Very soon we have more schools coming. So as we speak, we are having Option World, Nifty, Bank Nifty, School of Investment Banking, School of Venture Capitalist and Private Equity, School of Commodities, School of Accounting, School of Foreign Exchange, School of Treasury and Risk Management, School of Forensics. The other schools are School of Trade Finance, School of Regulatory, School of Treasury Technologies, Functional Training. We have functional trainings, forensic trainings, information technology trainings, regulatory trainings, and technological trainings. As we speak, around 200 plus trainings are listed. More trainings are coming over the period of the time. All these trainings and everything are integrated with our fixed income platform. You visit our fixed income platform and you would be able to get all trainings and all information here. Apart from that, we provided you the WhatsApp number. You just WhatsApp if you have any query, and in most of the cases we reply if we feel that the query is genuine. So the Sheetal Academy is a platform whose job is to provide practical and industry oriented knowledge. Of course, we link with Thomson Reuters, Bloomberg TV, and many international magazines, international books, and so on and so forth to provide you as practical training. You visit our YouTube channel, In fact, the video you just listened, you can compare this video with any other YouTube channel and rest you know. Apart from that, we just launched our TCG Video World. What is that? We have people, those who working day night in their respective jobs. Some are engineers, some are finance people and all. They don't have time to attend the regular one-to-one trainings. I agree that they need video trainings, like the content shot in the video delivered to them, and as and when they get time, they listen to it. We launched our TCG Video World, Treasury Consulting Group Video World. In this video world, we have decided to have 100 plus topics, 5 already done as we speak. As we speak, 5 video trainings are live, pay and get. The only time need is the time to upload on Telegram groups. Every training at least 1 hour or 2 hours. It is a video training, so it is not a one-to-one training. Videos are recorded, you get the videos, recorded videos. Videos to be upload in the Telegram groups, because Telegram gives you the privilege to upload 2 GB of video. Whenever we feel that the video length is big, we request people to share their Gmail IDs. They can create their fresh Gmail ID and we upload the video in their Gmail ID. Which so that because Telegram as we speak is giving a privilege of only 10 GB, 2 GB. This TCG Video Worlds covering advanced trainings, moderate trainings, and basic trainings. So basic trainings, advanced trainings, moderate trainings. Please note my next word carefully. All basic trainings would be 2000, which means you choose any topic of basic, you get at 2000. Moderate and advanced training pricing depend upon content to content. So I repeat, TCG Video World is a platform when you have 100 plus topic, 5 already live, 2 hours video training. It's a video training to be uploaded in the Telegram group. If we need more space, we request for Gmail ID. Advanced trainings, moderate trainings, and basic trainings. Please do remember this. And this is live. This platform is well integrated with our fixed income platform, www.fixedincome.global. So this is well integrated with our fixed income platform. This is a glimpse of our hedge fund desk. Like I made myself very clear upfrontly that no third party in the whole world can enter in this platform, which means that we do not trade somebody's money. We only trade our own money. So no third party can enter in our platform. This is only for ours. But this platform covers equity desk. This platform covers scalping group. This platform covers commodities desk, comics platform, penny stock desk, silver scalping fund, which we just started, and more importantly the Asian desk where we're covering Singapore and all, and the digital gold. More product we would be launching in this hedge fund, but I will again repeat, no third party except Treasury Consulting can enter in this fund. This is not for outsiders. This is our prop hedge fund, which is completely designed for the organization, by the organization. No third party is allowed. And we are very limited companies in the world, those who are running the profitable hedge fund. Our income and everything is really good, but we do not trade somebody's money. These are our credentials. You know my handheld number 9899242978. These are our WhatsApp numbers, our platform www.fixedincome.global, email ID rahul.magan@treasuryconsulting.in or info@treasuryconsulting.in. I assure you, probably in another 1 year of time, we would have more than 100 plus different platforms across the globe. Company would continue to be cash rich. We never allow any venture capitalist to enter in our company because we know the side effects of that, and we continue to add lots of products and services. In case you wish to have any information, these are all the credentials. Thank you guys and have a great time ahead.